Hi current Year 5, soon to be Year 6s in September. Now I'm sure you all know us already, Mrs Bundy and Mrs Troup. We are going to be working in woodpeckers together this year. So Mrs Troup is going to be teaching you on a Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and I will be in on a Thursday and Friday.
Mrs Bundy and I have worked together for many, many years, and we're really looking forward to our new job share. We know you all well already, and we're really looking forward to seeing you back in school in September.
So in the meantime, have a lovely summer, and we will see you very soon.
Bye.